It's that time of year, fall. I don't love the weather, but all my shows are back. The Diplomat, man, this might be one of the most toxic marriages on TV in TV history. Man, these two are a hot, complete, funky mess. This show reminds me of House of Cards. Man, that show was legendary. Kevin Spacey, Robin Wright, Michael Kelly, great cast, great plot, just evil. This is not as sinister, but the two of them, man, relationship is just working together, living together, not being together on a national, global stage. Man, oh man, oh man. 101 on what not to do with a powerful marriage. This latest season, a little bumpy getting started, kind of hard getting back into it, but eventually they'll find their rhythm. Great narratives, great script. I love shows that are abroad. Gives a different dynamic, different colloquialisms, if you will. Should you watch? Check it out, for sure. It's solid.